Folks, I have not seen the grass in my front yard since December 23rd. I was going to do my annual winter outdoor cooking video, but how about if we just make a pizza inside and see how well that cracked stone works. Here we go. Here it is. Not the prettiest pizza. This wasn't a real good test of a cracked pizza stone. Oh well, let's give it a try. So now, here we go. We're gonna try this pizza that I just made. It's right before me. Now, if you look at this, looks pretty good. It's cooled off though. Got a nice crust, edge crust, nice color on the top, and on the bottom, looks nice. Can't say the same thing for the other side of the pizza, where the crust wasn't as thick on the edge. It was actually thin, and there's reasons for that. I was in a rush to cook this pizza because it was about to be overproofed. In the will prep, just took too long to get to the temperature I wanted to be at. But I figured, what the heck, instead of losing the pizza, I might as well make it. Let's give it a try, and I'm sure it's great. Here we go.
You're watching the Detmurds channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
Darn right it's good. Taste-wise, great. Dough's perfectly, or I should say properly cooked. And toppings are great. Monterey Jack and pepperoni. And I did season it with some Italian seasoning and some crushed red pepper flakes. Very good. Appearance gets a 2.5 out of 5 just because those pepperonis shifted to the side where the crust wasn't as thick. And again, it was about to overproof, so. What can I do? Upcoming videos will be the final draft. It ain't a draft, it's final. The final Flint style pizza. And I also have a pizza request from one of you, and that's involving shrimp. Thank you for watching. Till next time.